In accordance with the wishes of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and the Tibetan community, the capital area Tibetans established the Weekend Tibetan School nearly 3 decades ago. Our mission is to preserve Tibetan religion, culture, and language, while fostering a sense of belonging and unity among Tibetan children growing up in the capital area. Today, our school serves close to 60 students, ranging from elementary to high school. Our dedicated volunteer team includes 9 Tibetan teachers, 4 dance instructors, and a PTA consisting of 5 board members. Every Sunday from 3 o'clock to 6 p.m., we gather at the Vienna Community Center to offer Tibetan language classes. C-Learning, which abbreviates to social, emotional, and ethical learning, as well as meditation sessions. Our goal is to create a nurturing environment where students can connect with their Tibetan heritage and identity.
Hello everybody, my name is Norzan and I'm the president of the Bodyig Lapta Student Council. I'm extremely proud of what we as a Tibetan school have done so far, and I can't wait to be a part of even more exciting and meaningful events. To me, being a part of the Student Council means getting more involved in our community, helping students learn our unique language, learning new things, and having fun. I hope everyone has a wonderful time when we look back at some of the wonderful experiences our Bodyig Lapta has shared this year.
In light of the alarming closure of Tibetan language schools all across Tibet, we feel a heightened sense of urgency to persevere and perspire to promote Tibetan language and culture, especially among the young Tibetan youth born in the United States. These children face unique challenges in connecting with their roots, making our mission ever more critical than ever.
nganzu pyo ki geyi di yinbi na laso nangshin ji cha de yore la nganzu rikshung ki zawa di ne le ne pyo ge pyi di che ge yore ta kesi yang pyi pyo ge di me ba cha bi yinbi na ngaran zu pyo miri di gyuring gu ji ne the bi thola kang e thang yim ka chimbu ji gi cha ya re.
For you, in your experience, both are there challenges to practicing self-compassion, and do you see a relationship between compassion for yourself and compassion for others?
I do think there are some difficulties with self-compassion, because I do feel like though compassion for others is greatly important, you should also think about yourself. Because I'm not saying in a selfish way, however, because self-compassion is so greatly important because you don't want to push yourself too far, but also you want to show other people compassion as well.
What I wanted to ask you is, what's your view on the relationship between mindfulness and compassion?
I think that mindfulness increases compassion, and compassion increases mindfulness. Because when you are mindful, you are incorporating compassion, as I said. You are looking at things in a way of, how can I help? How can I make that better? And when you are doing this, you are setting yourself up to be compassionate. Secondly, when you are compassionate, you are more mindful. If I am compassionate to somebody, and afterwards I realize, oh, I'm so happy that I helped this person, then in the future I'll be looking for more opportunities to be loving and kind to the people around me and to everyone in general. Thank you.